I've always thought of design as being so much more than just the way something looks. It's the whole thing, the way something actually works on so many different levels. Ultimately, of course, design defines so much of our experience. I think that there is a profound and enduring beauty in simplicity, in clarity, in efficiency. True simplicity is derived from so much more than just the absence of clutter and ornamentation. It's about bringing order to complexity. Skywalk is a clear representation of these goals. It has a whole new structure that is coherent and is applied across the entire aircraft. We have considered the tiniest details, like refining and meticulously designing every element of the well-known Skyhawk and made it Skyhawk. SolidWorks' advanced software allowed us to simulate real-world conditions and refine a design to perfection. Let's talk about the exterior. The Skyhawk is powered by a revolutionary new engine, delivering 20% more horsepower. This translates to superior climb rates and faster cruise speeds. An additional 50 knots that makes every flight more efficient and enjoyable. We have also reimagined the aerodynamics. The refined wing design enhances lift and stability, ensuring smoother flights and better handling in various weather conditions.
Here in Cessna, your safety is our top priority. The Skyhawk's exterior features integrated ADS-B in and out antennas, enhancing the real-time tracking and communication. Also, the improved lighting system includes LED strobes and landing lights for better visibility and safety during the night operations. And for those emergency situations, the Skyhawk is equipped with an advanced airframe parachute system. This critical safety feature provides a peace of mind knowing that you have an additional layer of security.
While Cessna 172 Skyhawk is completely new in some ways, we wanted to take an experience that people know very well and actually add to it to make it more functional and much more efficient. But what we have been able to achieve together is key Skyhawk as defining an important new direction and in many ways the beginning.